Slime for sale, slime for sale. Ooh, there's a lot of slimes that we can get. There's supposed to be a Godzilla right there. Oh, there can be a lot of Godzillas. No lining up, no lining up. They can only line up when they're all ready to check to pay with their slime. Let's go and get some slimes. Yeah, I want this one because my favorite color is purple. Ooh, I really, really love this one. I want to get two. I want to get this one, and this one. Actually, I don't want to be greedy, so I don't want all of them. I'm going to put these away, and I'm going to pick. So definitely not this one. Roll away. Roll away. Roll away. Roll that. Nope, roll away. Roll. Just kidding. I'll let other people get it. I'll just do it with this one first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm watching ASMR. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Why do I keep picking that one? Okay. Let's do this again. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Probably because I'm just doing this first. No, I'm not doing that. I'll just do this thing. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's much better, finally. But I may want this one. Oh, there's a return policy, so I can return it. This one it is. Ready to check. Sorry, I got the sick one. Oh, it looks like everybody is paying for their slimes. What is taking so long? Ah, I'm fine. Slime keeps falling because I have these plastic hands. Okay, got this and ready to pay. That Godzilla can be a video. Hi. See, you would like cotton candy stripes, right? Uh-huh. That would be $7.99. That will be $2, please. Okay. Thank you. I mean, that's $2.99. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you for shopping at Barbie Slime Store. See you. Bye. Hi. Seems like you like purple, right? Yeah. It's called blue. It's called it's called purple blackberry. Ooh. This is no fair. Who said that? That. Beep. I have to get a new cash register because I don't even have one. So I just use the slime as one. That would be $7.99. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Cha-ching. Have a great day. You too. Bye. Hi. Looks like you didn't get a slime. We have this slime and this slime. You get to choose. I really like red because I have red spikes. I will like this. Okay. That will be That will be 10.89.
Okay, here's $10.89.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, have a great day. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh, we only have birthday cake left.
This is my favorite one.
Oh. Well, that would be 14. That will be 14
Dollars?
that will be 14.79.
Okay. Here's $14.79.
Thank you. I hope you had a great day.
Bye.
Hey, and if I didn't tell you this, I was playing with my brother today. Santana. This is my brother, Santana. And if you liked our video, make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. We are also on the Ramirez Show. We made so much videos. Say hi, Santana.
Hi.
I made so much videos with my brother and my dad. And I hope everybody makes videos because it's super fun to make. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. It's that red button that starts with an S, like my brother's name. That's so funny. And if you like this video today, why don't you give us a like and a subscribe and hit the notification bells so we can make more videos.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
That was